Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I have something I bought that was on sale, iridescent medium from Liquitex, that I mixed with GAC 800 and Floetrol. I'm not sure that's enough. No, I'm going to give it some more. This is weird. I haven't done this before. I know I haven't. I'm not using that for much of anything else right now, so I'm thinking about putting some regular white in, some blue in, some Anita's White Metallic, the Oriental Blue. This is Vivid Intense Titanium White. I have no idea what I'm going to get. Like none. I've got some Northern Sky, which is a primary element, I believe, that I've been trying to tip down, see if I could get some out. Oh, it's a very similar color. Good. I might swipe through this. I'm thinking I want some Plum Blossom. No matter how weird it looks, I'll figure something out. Except for now, I'm not figuring out what's in my tip. I said I wanted some pink carnation. Maybe I didn't. If I didn't, I am now. I had a couple edge catchers, and I still have a couple edge catchers handy. Nothing more than little sheets of acetate. And I've wanted to use the white to do cell activator. To activate cells, I should say. I'm going to let it all fall down. And since I know I can use my silicone brushes to shuffle paint, I'm going to let some of that flow right over. That's a beautiful, beautiful sky. Very, very cool. Not 100% sure on that right there. Which means maybe I'll steal a little paint. There, I like that better without that big red dot. And a quick like a bunny torch. I have to say that worked kind of as well as I'd hoped it would. And I've got enough paint to do my edge. Without a problem. Alright, I'll be back when this is dry. So this is dry, and I love the way it turned out. I did put some sand colored paint around the bottom. So it doesn't have a lot of shimmer, but it doesn't show canvas through the way I was anticipating worst case scenario. I made up some sand color, which was basically white with a little Aztec bronze, very little, a long time ago. And I want a beach, I've decided. So I've added some thick wired Americana 24 karat gold. And I don't care if it's not mixed. Matter of fact, I think it might be more interesting if it isn't mixed. And my beach sand was pretty thick, but I'm glad it was still viable. But being thick is actually a good thing at this point in time, because that means it's going to cover better. That looks pretty level. I'm really tempted to add something to that, but I'm not sure how to go about it. I've got Chrysocolla and Mystique. Sparkling Aqua might be perfect. Although I do like other things better. I want something sparkling. I've got Vivid Intenses, which are not sparkling. I might have to grab a new spatula. I might want to be smart. Put this down. Get rid of that entirely. Give myself some paint in the dish. And rather than a spatula, I've got a silicone rubber brush. We're going to try it. They have big beaches in Florida. I grew up in Maine. In the summertime at least. And this is what Florida beaches look like to me, most generally. I don't mind a little line. I'm thinking I'm going to put more in. So I've been looking at this and it's a little bland for me, so I'm going to throw some Plum Blossom in the sky. Everything is dry, it's the next day. And I'm going to risk a little bit of red violet. Maybe I will put it in my dish and use my silicone brush to pick up just the smallest amount. I just recently discovered dragging these brushes sideways works wonderfully. I am going to grab some of this Majestic Blue. I was pretty sure I checked to see if this was open, but I'm not as sure as I was. It's definitely goopy. Evidently I have not added any art fluid. I don't want to add that straight across. It's too strong. So I'm going to grab some more Anitas and use it to mute it down a little bit. Yeah, I like that. Now I can take, hopefully, some of that. I wanted something bright blue to highlight the greenish turquoise of the whatever color it was, Sea Monster? Or was it Sparkling Aqua? I can't remember. It was yesterday. Go figure. If I'd left a little more pink in my ocean, I'd have more places to put the blue now. I think I'm tempted, I might be wrong, but I'm tempted to take the residual Anitas in my dish. Use it. I'm going to have to take that brush. Maybe I'll just use a spatula. I want to put some definition in the sand. I think there might be just enough blue there. Just enough is not enough. Okay. I like it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my sand color, which I originally thought was Anita's, and some Aztec bronze. Put a little more Aztec bronze in there. And let her rip. I thought maybe a little bit of Tuscan gold too. Just a drop will tell me whether I like it or not. And I'm going to grab my small spatula without the chip on it. Just that little bit of texture has made me a lot happier. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I don't know if I'm done. I want to put a pink sun in the sky. Is that really weird? That's probably pretty weird. It's surreal. I can do it if I want to. I didn't even know I was planning on doing that until I did it. There. Now I'm happy. That was pink diamond, I believe. I just made the sun out of. I want to zoom in more. Yep. I like it now. It was just a little bland for me before, and now I'm very happy. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.